YouTube. Welcome back to another video. Hey, look, I've been out the loop of the whole AEW. Mercedes Mone has came back this year. You know what I'm saying? The queen of wrestling. You know what I'm saying? The Beyonce of women's wrestling. I ain't gonna lie, so like, I don't know what's been going on with her. I haven't been keeping it with AEW at all. This year. You know, like, I don't know, when she left, I kind of like wasn't paying attention. So I don't know if she still got her belts or she lost all her belts. I don't know. But this is from July 18th. So I'm just like, I'm catching up. So let's just get right into the video, man. Listen, hopefully y'all enjoy the video. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. We at 310 subs right now. Road to 400 subs. So let's get in the building. Let's get into the video.
W Women's World Championship is coming home to me. Now, Renee, you want to ask me about Tekla and Willow. I don't give a damn who's walking out of Redemption with that title at all, and I am taking what's mine. Tekla wants to walk around here and talk about being toxic. But the thing, when things got a little too hot around here, when I cracked her in the head with this title, she ran and took her ass to Japan. And Willow, after I beat you on Dynamite, you took your ass to Japan too. It's so funny how both of you ended up in the exact same place. One hides behind a fake little poison, and the other hides behind a fake little smile. But neither of you can hide when that bell rings. You know, Renee, I am so sick of the same damn question. Who's walking into All In with the title? Wrong question, Renee. The only question that matters is who's walking out. And that's me, the C.E.
Oh, all right, now look now. So okay, so it looking like they about. So it look like she might be in. She can be in a title match. So let's get into the next clip. I think this is all on the same day. I think.
Just keeps coming back. She's got a lot of height, you know, a backdrop from someone as tall as her. That's a tough landing.
Yeah, that's a great call. And now watch out. We've seen this from the Divine Dominion before. Look at the power. Holy smokes.
Well, two big boots.
Wait a second. Megan Bayne brings high on to the center. Falcon arrow. 1, 2. No, Willow there to break things up.
Wow, Willow showed a lot of speed to get over there.
But great reach by Lena Cross, dropping Willow with that high kick. And now the combination from Divine Dominion. Taking out Maya. And now Willow, though, fighting off the champions. Willow sends Lena Cross, crashing to the outside. Megan Bayne, though, still inside the ring. And Bayne, for that short arm lariat, but instead gets a pounce!
Great angle pursuit right there, but now the CEO right in the face here of Willow.
Willow's not the legal lady in the ring. And here,
Mercedes did a great job of picking her spot, but high on Jackknife. It's out.
that's Hyan, who is the legal lady in the ring. Oh!
Spear from high on. Mercedes got spiked.
Ooh. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, yeah. Man, that spirit felt real. Right?
shoulder just barely off the mat.
Just shot the left arm up, Taz. Wow.
It's really close. Ion really came with it with that spear. What a shot.
Everybody else on the floor right now, too. These two ladies going at it without any help. Look at Mercedes go.
Wait a second. Mercedes, money maker. That's got to be it. 2, 3.
Yeah, shout out to Mercedes, man. Let's see. Hold up. There's one more video, I think this is like the latest one. I think. Where is it?
So sign the damn contract for all and now.
Ladies, it is official at All In London Wembley Stadium for that AEW Women's World Championship. It will be Willow Nightingale versus Mercedes Mone. Thank you, ladies.
Mercedes, what exactly is your problem today? What, for 5 seconds, people didn't give you all of their attention, right? Or maybe today you're angry because you remembered I beat you after your 584-day reign as TBS champion.
So all in, Willow, I am not just gonna take this title. I'm gonna take that damn smile too.
Oh, is that what you think? You wanna talk about destiny? I've made history, honey. I made history. You wanna talk about destiny? I dare you. I dare you to try. I became the first Triple Crown Women's Champ ever. That's what I did.
Out of my expense.
At your expense?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is the plan, huh?
Divine Dominion, Megan Bain lean across the AEW Women's World Tag Team Champions.
Oh, my God. It's going to be 3-on-1 here.
Yeah, the Women's Tag Team Champs have been aligned with Mercedes.
Oh, and a chop block by Mercedes Mone, and now Divine Dominion.
Oh, no. No!
Oh!
All right, Chef, that's going to conclude.
I love all the love you guys are giving me, but I need you to listen to this part, because this is for all of you, and this is for all of you. If life has been kicking you around,
Oh, yeah, she ain't talking about that. Hey, listen, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, man. Shout out to Mercedes Mone for coming back. It looks like it's going to be a good match. Mercedes versus Willow Nightingale. I ain't lie, it looked heated. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying Mercedes, I'm saying CEO, I'm saying she want all the smoke with Willow. And Willow, I ain't lie, you can get your ass whooped. You know what I'm saying? And that title is going back home to the CEO. You feel what I'm saying? Respectfully, you know what I'm saying? I don't watch AEW, but I'm on Sadie's side in any situation. You know what I'm saying? She's the greatest female wrestler of all time. You know what I'm saying? She gonna be I've seen her have 10, 11, 12 belts, bro. Until somebody gets there, ain't nobody fucking with her track record. As far as what she's done this far. And before this, she was in the WWE as well. So she dominated in two different platforms. You know what I'm saying? Two different media outlets too. Like she dominated. You know what I'm saying? Like, but I think the WWE, I think her contract ran out, or she got done wrong. But she definitely did deserve to go out like how she did in the WWE. She shouldn't deserve to go out like that. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all new. Willow, your ass get whooped. Hell no, bro.